Hello everyone, now we are going to learn about food chain and food web. Food chain. Food chain is found in a forest. Food web is also found in a forest. Food chain, that means chain of food. Who eats whom? In a chain form, in a form of chain. So it is a series of organisms linked together by the process of eating and being eaten for food. So series of organisms linked together by the process of eating. That means key organism can eat something and being eaten for food, and some other organism will eat that particular organism for food. Obviously for food we need to eat some things, just like that animals also need to eat something for food requirement. So food chain is a chain. It is a sequence of organism, series of organism, and it is a single chain. Look at this. Grass. Grass is called producer. Producer means green plants that produce, that manufacture food inside their body by the process of photosynthesis. So green plants, grass, all the plants can be can be said as producer. Okay, that can we can say plants, green plants as producer. Next one is herbivore. That means green plants are taken as food by which kind of organisms? Those are herbivore. Herbivore means uh, the organisms which take either grass or plant product as their food. Those are herbivores. So here it is grasshopper. We have taken example of grasshopper. Okay, then grasshopper is taken as food by frog, that is a carnivore. Then next one is top carnivore, that is snake. So frog is eaten by a snake, and then snake is eaten by eagle, top carnivore. So here we can see there are three categories of carnivore. Carnivore means flesh eater, okay, animal eater. So carnivore, simple one is the first carnivore which take animal as their food. Then after that, next level, that is large carnivore. Then top carnivore that take the large carnivore. So carnivore are three categories, but herbivore are those organisms only which take herbs, which take plants as their food. Those are herbivore. And first carnivore is the animal which take herbivore as their food, and second carnivore is the animal which take first carnivore as their food, and so on. Okay, so in that way a food chain can be completed. Now food web. Web means this is a network of food chain. This is a network of interconnected food chain. Web means a kind, it is known as jar. Spider web you must have listened now. So what is spider web? It is a jar. So food web is a kind of jar. It is a kind of network of so many interconnected food chain. Okay. So just look at so many food chain we have arranged here. So what are these? Plant or grains? Obviously these are the producers. So producers are the green plants which manufacture food inside their body by the process of photosynthesis. These are eaten by all such kind of animals. So deer is eaten by tiger. So what is deer here? This is the consumer. We can say these consumer, this is producer, and rest of all these are known as consumer. What are these? These are consumer. Okay, consumer means they take either plant or animal as their food. Those are consumer. So consumer, these are consumer. First consumer is what? Herbivore. What is first consumer? It is herbivore. Understood? Next one, those herbivore are eaten by the carnivore. Clear? So what are here? So tiger is what here? Tiger is a carnivore. In next level, squirrel is the herbivore and squirrel is eaten by hawk. So hawk is what? It is a carnivore. Next one, grasshopper is herbivore and grasshopper is eaten by frog. Same food chain I have made here, and so on. Okay, frog, snake and eagle. So first carnivore, second carnivore, third carnivore. Then next chain is showing rabbit takes plant as their food, that means consumer. Then this rabbit, herbivore, is eaten by fox. Fox is the carnivore. Okay. Next one is caterpillar. Next one is mouse. Mouse is eaten by snake. So mouse is what? Mouse is here. It is a herbivore. What is mouse? Herbivore. And mouse is eaten by snake. So snake is what? Snake is a carnivore. And again mouse is eaten by eagle. So eagle is also a carnivore. Next one, caterpillar. Caterpillar is what? It is a herbivore. It takes grass or plant leaves. Usually it takes grass and leaves as their food. That caterpillar is eaten by a bird, that is robin, and robin bird is eaten by hawk. So what is caterpillar here? It is a herbivore, first consumer. Then robin is what? This is a carnivore, second consumer. Then top carnivore, or we can say next carnivore, second carnivore, or top consumer. Okay, so in this way a food chain, different food chain interconnected together and form a food web. We can see here lots of food chains are interconnected, like squirrel is eaten by hawk, robin is also eaten by hawk. Okay, mouse is eaten by snake, mouse is also eaten by eagle as well as fox. So lots of food chains are interconnected in a way so that it forms a food web. I hope you understood what is food chain and food web. Now you look at the screen.